Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Remitly to Bkash. Okay, so let's get started without wasting any more time. So first of all, you have to log into your Remitly account. You have to log in or sign up to your Remitly account. Enter your email address and password, then log in. You can also continue with your Google. You can continue your Gmail account, then tap continue here. Wait until the process is complete, then you have to choose your country. As we are sending it to Bkash, then we have to choose Bangladesh. Tap onto Bangladesh. You have to choose country Bangladesh. Okay, wait. You have to choose Bangladesh and tap onto that Bangladesh, and from there you can choose here this one Bangladesh. Like I'm sending money from, for example, I'm sending money from Australia to Bangladesh, then tap onto next. And now you have to choose payment method as Bkash, this one. So as we can see, one Australian dollar is equal 78 BDT. You can choose this and then tap on to send money. So after clicking on send money, you will find an option called Bkash. Like here you can use also debit card, credit card, your bank account. So from here we will use Bkash, but if you want to apply an offer code, you can tap onto offer code and use any type of offer you want to use. Then you have to tap onto debit card, and okay, you have to enter your amount you want to send, and that's it. Then choose the one like debit card or credit card you want to use, then tap continue. And as we can see, it is asking for me to how would I like to send the money delivered. So as I want to send it to Bkash, I will choose mobile wallet, and from there you can see this option Bkash. Also you are seeing that Nogod, you can just send the money from here by tapping onto it, and just enter your first name, last name, and take this sign and tap continue and complete all the process like prompts it is asking you to. So that's it. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.